You know how a lot of people are looking for an open concept floor plan these days? Probably something a little over 2,000 square feet, 3 or 4 bedrooms in the Phoenix East Valley. They also want it to be affordable. That can be a little bit hard to find. Not out at Blossom Rock. I'm about to show you a floor plan that checks all those boxes and the affordability too. This modern open concept floor plan features 2,473 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom and a den with 2.5 bathrooms and a 3-car garage. There's a quick move-in of this floor plan available right now. And not only does it have spectacular financing incentives, but this one happens to include the washer, dryer, fridge, and the blinds. Now let's take a look at the Blossom Rock community.
Welcome to Blossom Rock, a vibrant master plan community located at Ray Road and Ironwood Drive, adjacent to East Mesa in the southernmost part of Apache Junction, Arizona. It has breathtaking views of the Superstition Mountains and easy access to the 60 and 24 freeways, making it the perfect blend of natural beauty and urban convenience. At the heart of Blossom Rock is Painted Sky Park, a 16-acre recreational park featuring a gorgeous 1.5-acre catch-and-release fishing lake. The kids are sure to love the adventurous 3.5-acre Miners Run playground with swings, slides, rock walls, and oh so much more. The Rough Ranch Dog Park has not 1, not 2, but 3 designated dog zones, perfect for all kinds of pups. Kids young and old alike will enjoy the bocce ball, cornhole, and oversized outdoor chess set. You'll also find ramadas, fireplaces, and barbecues, making it the place for outdoor entertaining. With miles of scenic trails, multiple community parks, and feature-planned amenities like a clubhouse and a huge pool, Blossom Rock fosters an active and connective lifestyle.
Okay, so what did you think of the model? Pretty spacious, right? One thing I wanted to mention to you that in this model, they use the dark cabinets. They're just giving you an idea of what's possible, but the quick move-in homes that are ready with the great financing incentives right now, those actually have the lighter cabinets. If you would like to see the quick move-in properties that are available in this floor plan, please give me a call. I would love to meet you out there and show them to you. And if you've seen my videos before, you know my #1 tip when it comes to buying new construction. You must have your agent present with you at the models the first time you visit to check you in and register you. After that time, you can visit the models as much as you want, but that very first time, your agent, whether it's me or anyone else, must go with you to ensure that you get the representation that you need and deserve. Don't forget, the builders are paying the buyer's agent commission right now, so it's a great opportunity for you to make sure that you have an agent present with you. If I can be that person, please give me a call at 480-789-0794. I'd love to help you find the perfect home for you and your family.